Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Hi and welcome back to my channel, where I will be doing a EV swap of my Nissan 350Z with a Tesla drive unit. I am right now in the car. I've been driving for 5 hours now, heading towards to pick up the correct drive unit. I got the non-performance drive unit last time, so I have it in my trunk, and we are headed to swap it out to a performance drive unit. The difference between the non-performance drive unit and the performance drive unit is that the non-performance unit is capable of around 260 horsepower, and the performance unit is capable of around over 500 horsepower. So it's quite big difference, not that big in size, but in output. So that's why we're going for the performance unit and not the regular one. I hope that the sound is alright, since I don't know how much background noise we have in the car. Hopefully not too much.
even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
We are now home after 15 hours of driving, and we have 1,400 kilometers driven today. So we are very tired. It's about midnight and we have been up from 4 o'clock this morning. So we don't even bother to take out the Tesla unit. We will do it tomorrow, since we are too tired. So time for bed.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
We finally got the drive units out. They were very, very heavy. Much more heavy than I thought they would be, but we got them out. 2 person to lift them, and estimate is maybe around 100 kilos, I think. Let's see, it's this is the motor side. So only this is actually the Tesla motor, and the middle part here, I don't know if you can see it, but here are 2 shaft inputs or outputs in this case that goes to the wheels. We have a differential here and the inverter here. So on these 2 cables we will be having around 350 to 400 volts going into this, and then also controlling it through canvas. so it's not actually that big if you consider it's over 500 horsepower. So I think it's quite impressive, and definitely that electric is the future. I will definitely miss the VQ sound of the 350. That's one of the things I like the most with driving that car. So I will miss it, but I think this will be much more fun. And I always, since electric vehicles came out and came to the market and they have grown, I always wanted to do a electric vehicle by myself. So this is the time. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you like, share, subscribe and all those stuff, and comment if you have any questions regarding the EV build, or if you just have opinions. I am glad to hear opinions regarding my editing, my filming. All the inputs I can take I will be willing to do, because I am an amateur at being in front of a camera and also edit videos. So I hope you have some patience and that you will bear with me. So yeah, like I said, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Hopefully that video will be about the engine coming out. So take care, we will see you, bye!